Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Lufthansa unveils ultimate luxury, the first-class double suite experience. Lufthansa has unveiled its latest innovation in luxury air travel, the first-class Suite Plus, a double suite experience designed to provide unparalleled comfort and privacy for passengers. This new offering is part of Lufthansa's Allegris long-haul product lineup, reflecting the airline's commitment to enhancing passenger experience across all classes. Double bed configuration. The Suite Plus is designed to accommodate 2 passengers, featuring a spacious double bed that allows travelers to rest comfortably side by side. This setup is ideal for couples or companions seeking a shared private space during their flight. Full privacy with floor-to-ceiling walls. Each suite is enclosed with floor-to-ceiling walls and lockable doors, ensuring complete privacy. This design creates a personal sanctuary in the sky, allowing passengers to relax or work without disturbances. Generous personal space. The suites offer ample space, including a large table suitable for dining or work, and 2 wide seats that can be combined into a comfortable bed. This thoughtful layout ensures that passengers have room to move freely and utilize the space as they see fit. Advanced entertainment systems. Passengers can enjoy a state-of-the-art entertainment experience with large, high-definition screens and wireless headphones. Personal wardrobe and storage solutions. Each suite includes a personal wardrobe, allowing passengers to store their belongings conveniently and keep their space organized. Additional storage compartments are thoughtfully integrated to accommodate various personal items. Gourmet dining options. Lufthansa's renowned in-flight dining is elevated in the Suite Plus, with gourmet meals prepared by top chefs. Passengers can enjoy fine dining experiences with menus that cater to diverse culinary preferences, all served at their convenience. Ambient lighting and temperature control. The suites are equipped with customizable ambient lighting and individual temperature controls, enabling passengers to tailor their environment to their personal comfort preferences. High-speed connectivity. Recognizing the importance of staying connected, Lufthansa provides high-speed internet access within the Suite Plus. Passengers can work, browse, or communicate online seamlessly during their flight. Exclusive amenities kit. Each passenger receives an exclusive amenities kit featuring high-quality skincare products, sleepwear, and other essentials to enhance their in-flight comfort and well-being. Priority services. Suite Plus passengers benefit from priority boarding, expedited security checks, and access to exclusive lounges, ensuring a seamless and luxurious travel experience from the ground to the air. Implementation and availability. Lufthansa plans to introduce the first-class Suite Plus on its Airbus A350-900 aircraft, with the first routes operating from Munich to destinations such as Bangalore starting November 9, 2025. Initially, these suites will be available by invitation, with plans to make them available for standard booking in the future. This strategic rollout allows Lufthansa to fine-tune the passenger experience based on initial feedback before broader implementation. Comparative landscape. The introduction of the Suite Plus aligns with a broader industry trend where airlines are enhancing their premium offerings to attract high-end travelers. For instance, British Airways has recently upgraded its first-class cabins on Airbus A380 jets, featuring larger seats and increased privacy as part of a $9 billion investment in transforming the airline. Similarly, other carriers like Qantas and Qatar Airways are also introducing new high-end first-class experiences, highlighting a growing emphasis on luxury travel. Lufthansa's first-class Suite Plus represents a significant advancement in luxury air travel, offering passengers an unparalleled level of comfort, privacy, and personalized service. As airlines continue to compete in the premium market segment, innovations like the Suite Plus set new benchmarks for what travelers can expect in first-class accommodations. With its thoughtful design and comprehensive amenities, the Suite Plus is poised to redefine the standards of luxury in the skies. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.